Every few decades, something big shakes the internet. The internet itself did it, then came crypto, then came AI. But today, we're standing at the start of the next trillion-dollar wave, and this time, it's written in the stars. Because what I'm about to show you could make you the owner of your very own AI-powered fortune service empire, where astrology, tarot, and numerology readings sell 24/7 without you lifting a finger. Sounds wild? Give me 2 minutes and I'll prove it. Right now, millions of people are paying $50, $100, even $300 for simple psychic readings online. Apps like CoStar, Sanctuary, AstroSage are pulling in millions every single month. And guess what? They don't even do the readings. AI does. They built systems once, and now their virtual astrologers handle thousands of clients daily. But until today, that system was locked away from normal people like us. You couldn't start a psychic app, you couldn't afford the tech, the team, or the setup. All that changes right now. Introducing Astroman AI, the world's first AI fortune service builder that launches your own live psychic and astrology business in a box. No coding, no hiring, no tech headaches. Just log in, click activate, and your live AI astrologers, tarot readers, numerologists, dream interpreters, chakra healers, and love coaches start working instantly under your name and your brand. It's like having a team of mystical experts that never sleep, never complain, and never miss a reading, delivering results 24/7 while you keep 100% of the profit. Imagine waking up tomorrow. You check your dashboard, new clients, new payments, new readings delivered automatically overnight. No ads, no freelancers, no burnout. Just your own digital fortune empire running on autopilot, earning while you sleep, travel, or sip coffee under the morning sun. Here's how easy it is. Step 1, log in and activate. Your done-for-you fortune site goes live instantly. Step 2, customize and attract clients. Brand it with your name, set your prices, and let seekers come to you. Step 3, get paid and scale. Astroman AI handles everything automatically while you collect 100% of the cash. And because you're already here early, you're not just getting Astroman AI. You're getting 5 bonus fortune assets worth $2,685 absolutely free. These include templates, traffic boosters, and client-getting automations designed for 10 times your results in half the time. But there's one catch. Only 500 licenses are available. After that, Astroman AI goes private or turns it to a $997 per month platform. So if you're ready to own your slice of this $40 billion fortune industry, click the button below right now and let your own digital astrologers start working for you today. History proves it. Every era has its own gold rush. The internet changes business. Social media changes influence. Now, fortune services are next. The only question is, will you be the one owning the platform or watching others get rich from it? Click below and step into the future of fortune telling with Astroman AI.